Hello children, let us continue with our third chapter of Maths 1, that is polynomials. In previous videos, you have studied about polynomial, constant polynomial, types of polynomials based on number of terms, degree of a polynomial in one variable, degree of a polynomial in more than one variable, types of polynomial based on degree, and standard form, coefficient form and index form of a polynomial. Now we will solve remaining questions from practice set 3.1. Here question number 6. Write the following polynomials in standard form. Write the following polynomials in standard form. First one is given m cube plus 3 plus 5m, and second one is minus 7y plus y raised to power 5 plus 3y cube minus half plus 2y raised to power 4 and minus y square. Write the following polynomials in standard form. Standard form of a polynomial means if the terms of a polynomial are written in descending powers of x, then such a form is called the standard form of the polynomial. If the terms of a polynomial p of x are written in descending powers of x, then such a form is called the standard form of the polynomial. Here polynomial is first subquestion m cube plus 3 plus 5m, m cube plus 3 plus 5m. So solution standard form is m cube plus 5m plus 3 if the terms of a polynomial p of m are written in descending powers of m, then such a form is called the standard form of the polynomial. So for m cube plus 3 plus 5m, standard form is m cube plus 5m plus 3. Second subquestion is minus 7y plus y raised to power 5 plus 3y cube minus half plus 2y raised to power 4 minus y square. So solution. So which term will come first? Y raised to power 5. Okay. Y raised to power 5 plus 2y raised to power 4. Next plus 3y cube. Next minus y square. Next minus 7y. Next minus half. See here powers. First for first term power is 5, then 4 here, then for third term power is 3, then for fourth term power is 2, then for fifth term power is 1, and for this last term power is 0. So standard form of this polynomial is y raised to power 5 plus 2y raised to power 4 plus 3y cube minus y square minus 7y minus half. Now question number 7. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. First one is x cube minus 2. Second one is 5y. Third one is 2m raised to power 4 minus 3m square plus 7. And fourth one is minus 2 upon 3. First one, x cube minus 2. You have to write the following polynomial in coefficient form. Coefficient form means write the coefficients of the variables by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. Write the coefficients of the variables by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. And this form of the polynomial is called the coefficient form. So here first subquestion polynomial is given x cube minus 2. X cube minus 2. But in this polynomial, there is no term having power 2. There is no term having power 1. So it can be added to the polynomial. So the index form of the given polynomial is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. In this polynomial, there is no term having power 2. And there is no term having power 1. So we can write it as 0x square and 0x, and it can be added to the polynomial. So it can be written as x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. Now the coefficient form of the given polynomial is, now write all the coefficients. Here for x cube coefficient is 1, write here 1. For x square coefficient is 0, write here 0. For x coefficient is 0, write here 0. And then last term minus 2. So the coefficient form of the given polynomial is 1, 0, 0, minus 2. Write all coefficients in bracket. Second subquestion 5y. Second subquestion 5y. So the index form of the given polynomial is 5y plus 0. 5y plus 0. In this polynomial there is no term having power 0. Having power 0 of the variable. So we can write it as 0. We can write it as 0. So the index form of the given polynomial is 5y plus 0. Therefore, the coefficient form of the given polynomial is 5, 0. The coefficient form of the given polynomial is 5, 0. Third subquestion. 2m raised to power 4 minus 3m square plus 7. So here in this polynomial there is no term having power 3 of the variable. So we can write it as 0m cube. We can write it as 0m cube. And there is no term having power 1. There is no term having power 1. So we can write it as 0m. It can be added to the polynomial. Okay, so the index form of the given polynomial is 2m raised to power 4 plus 0m cube minus 3m square plus 0m plus 7. This is the index form of the given polynomial. Therefore, the coefficient form of the given polynomial is 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 7. Write coefficient of all terms. So the coefficient form of the given polynomial is 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 7. Write all coefficient in bracket. Student, fourth subquestion is homework. Now question number 8. Write the polynomial in index form. Write the polynomials in index form. First one is 1, 2, 3. Second 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. And third one minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. So index form. First one 1, 2, 3. The polynomial 1, 2, 3 contains 3 coefficients. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 3 minus 1. Subtract 1 from this. So, the degree of the polynomial is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So, the degree of this polynomial is 2. Therefore, the index form of the given polynomial is x square. Means 1x square means x square plus 2x and last one is plus 3. So the index form of the given polynomial is x square plus 2x plus 3. X square plus 2x plus 3. Second one is 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Solution. The polynomial 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 contains 5 coefficients. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 5 minus 1. Subtract 1 from this. So, the degree of the polynomial is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. The degree of this polynomial is 4. Therefore, the index form of the given polynomial is 5x raised to power 4. Highest power is the degree of the polynomial. So, here highest power is 4. So, 5x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1 equal to 5x raised to power 4 minus 1, because 0x cube means 0. 0x square is also 0. 0 into x is also 0. Therefore, The index form of the given polynomial is 5x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1 equal to 5x raised to power 4 minus 1. Students, third sub question is homework. Now question number 9. Write the appropriate polynomials in the boxes. Some polynomials are given here and you have to write in boxes. Here first one is given quadratic polynomial, next is cubic polynomial, here linear polynomial, here binomial, then trinomial, monomial. Okay, so first one is binomial means one term. Trinomial means a polynomial consists of two terms, and binomial means polynomial consists of two terms, and trinomial means polynomial consists of three terms, and monomial means polynomial consists of one term. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial, and linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Now see, your first polynomial is given x plus 7. How many terms are here? Two terms. So x plus 7, two terms means it is a binomial. Two terms means it is a binomial. And here a polynomial of degree 1. For this polynomial, degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. So x plus 7 is linear polynomial also, and x plus 7 is binomial also. Next is x square. So x square, only one term is there, means it is a monomial. It is a monomial. Write that x square in monomial. But here degree is 2. Degree is 2. So polynomial of degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So write this x square in quadratic polynomial also. Next is x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Here four terms are there. So it is not a binomial, it is not a trinomial, it is not a monomial, it is a polynomial. But x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Here degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree of a polynomial is 3. So polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. So write this polynomial in cubic polynomial. Next is 2x square plus 5x plus 10. How many terms are there? 3 terms. So 3 terms means it is a trinomial. So write this polynomial in trinomial. 2x square plus 5x plus 10. But what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So write this polynomial in quadratic polynomial also. Next is x cube plus 9. X cube plus 9. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So it is a binomial. So write in binomial. But what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. So write this polynomial in cubic polynomial also. X cube plus 9. Next is 3x square plus 5x. 3x square plus 5x. Again, how many terms are here? 2 terms. 2 terms means binomial. So write, here it is not written, but write this 3x square plus 5x in binomial also, because 2 terms are there. So it is a binomial. And here degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So write this polynomial in quadratic polynomial also. 3x square plus 5x.